Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm sharing with you this healthy, delicious salad. I have fruits and vegetables, and I'm pairing it with fried fish, peas and rice, and peach cobbler. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Okay, the fish, they are frying. They were seasoned overnight with pepper, salt, and lime juice. The rice is almost done. Now let's make the salad. God bless you. These were thoroughly rinsed in water, and now I'm just chopping them up into bite sizes. God bless you. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. This tells YouTube that you are enjoying it and they would recommend our content more. We'll reach a wider audience. God bless you. I must pause right here to say hello to my people, to my members. God bless you. To those of you who are always coming back, God bless you. You are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Join the family. And when you join, be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and thank you in advance. Family and friends, I want you to know that I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. If you'd like to donate to this channel, we will appreciate it. There is a thank you tab below this video. There are links in the description box below. There is a PayPal link, a Patreon link, our merch store, as well as our Amazon store. There's also my post office box. God bless you and thank you in advance. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, my name is Melda, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to tap the bell button below, select all so that you'll be notified of every video that I upload. And if you just subscribe, welcome to our family. Thank you for watching. I love each and every one of you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.